Hello friends, if you are content creator, you are creating your content in your national language, then it's okay, very nice, very good. And if you know the English language, beside your national language, you can also create your contents in English language, because you know that the world has become the global village. Right now you can share your talent throughout the world with the help of social media. You are watching this video due to social media, and if social media was not available, then how would we show our talent in front of you? So I think that this is the opportunity in your hand, and get benefit from this opportunity. Whatever talent you have, you should share with the world. And you can work on any platform. There are so many different platforms on social media where there you are interested in, and if you know the English language, then you can share, you can show your talent on that platform. And if you don't know the English language and you are willing to improve yourself in English language, then I think that you should watch English language videos on social media to improve yourself in English language step by step. There are speakers, English language speakers, those are guiding you step by step. How can you improve yourself in English language? And when you will follow those steps, then I think that gradually, slowly, you will improve yourself in English language. So learning English is, I think, important in this era. As I told you that we are now in international world, and most of the stuff, most of the content on social media is also in English language. When you search through Google any query, you will find replies first of all in English language, and then there is the option that you can select the language, but mostly stuff is available in English language. And I think that with the help of those stuff, you can know about other countries, such as you are willing to know about America, Germany, France, England, and you are searching on social media, and you don't know the German language, and when you will search, this stuff might be either in English language or in German language. What will be your choice? Because you don't know the German language, your choice will be English language. And with the help of English language, you will know about Germany. In the same way, when you are willing to know about other things, mostly stuff is in English language. So I think that learning English will help you in so many fields, and also you will get a confidence in yourself, because if you know more than one languages, then their impact on your mind will be good, because those people have the healthy minds who know more than one languages. So I think that you should learn English language, you should improve English language. And if you are feeling any kind of difficulties right now, the social media, the cell phone is in your hand. With the help of internet, you can get replies of any tension, any problems which you are facing, and in this way you will improve yourself in English language. Hope you find this video useful, and if you are new on this channel, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.